Hello, good afternoon. Welcome. This is English Waec here 2020 objective past question. Question number 20. And the instruction here says that we choose the word that best complete this statement or sentence. And the sentence says the weather is too hot. I need some water to dash my thirst. The weather is too hot. I need some water to dash my thirst. Option A say wet. Wet as a verb cannot function in this sentence. Yes, wet. That is, wet means damp, or when something is soak. Then option B say quench. Then option C say cool. Cool means to ice. When you ice something, then soak means when something is wet. You can ice. But option B say quench. It is grammatical to use the word quench because one can quench thirst by water. One can quench is or a test or level of thirsty by water, by taking in water. So quench is the correct verb that goes in this expression. So quench. So the weather is too hot. I need some water to quench my thirst. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.